The 2013
Toyota Tacoma Pre-Runner. This is an access cab pickup truck with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is well equipped. This Toyota features air conditioning, a CD player, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, integrated phone, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.